Hello, lovely. It's great to see you. What a little disco frock you've got on there. I love it. In fact, you are wearing... You're wearing the trend that we're all going to be wearing this summer. What is it?
I am, but you've kind of jumped into it before I did. I wanted to say hello. I'm so happy to be back on and part of the new look Studio 10, loving everything.
Yeah.
I also just wanted to say that I know we are in the middle of a global pandemic, so maybe spring summer style isn't high on the agenda, but there is something to say about putting something on that makes you feel confident and beautiful or makes you smile. I feel like we all need some of that, especially now, and that's what I plan to do with these segments. So today I'm going to try and do just that, and also leave you with some tips to help you dress easier this season.
Love it. I love it. All right, so we are wearing this one big style, I guess, style thing this season. It's shoulder pads. Everyone feels like they've got the weight of the world on their shoulders, and that'll cushion it.
I wanted to say, I know, like literally no prizes for guessing what the #1 trend will be, but obviously you don't have to be as big as I am doing it. I'm just giving you your money's worth this Thursday morning. But shoulder pads are in. I mean, these babies cannot even stay in store. I have this one from Witchery, this one from H&M, so a variety of price points. But this is why I want you to not be so dismissive of this 80s trend. You don't have to be as big and as exaggerated as I am doing it, but a small padding can actually be really flattering on your body, because what that does is create that elongated line of your shoulder, creating the proportion of an inverted triangle, snatching you in at the waist and making you look smaller. So I don't know about you, but I definitely can use a lot of that. So I am loving this trend, and I'm hoping to encourage people to try it out and not be so dismissive about it.
Break out the shoulder pads. I love it.
Get them out. What other styles should we be on the lookout for this summer?
Okay, still, sticking to the 80s theme, I do want to say and introduce you to the long short, AKA the Bermuda. Let's just call it what it is, the Bermuda short. Again, don't be so dismissive and don't say the 80s called wanting their fashion back, because I actually think that this trend is actually the more flattering of the short trends that we have seen in the recent future. Like, they're definitely more wearable and flattering for more people than, say, the hot pants or the dad shorts or the distress shorts. With these shorts, you get to choose what length, looks more flattering on your body. And if you think you're maybe on the shorter side and you think that this particular style makes you look stumpy or shorter, just look for a higher waisted version. So again, very easily made casual with sneakers, with sandals, with a t-shirt, and then easily dressed up with a heel and maybe an elevated top of the top, and there you go. Which kind of easily segues me into my, can I sneak in another trend?
Yeah, love
into
it.
my favorite, my most favorite, these are from Witchery, by the way, from my most favorite trend of all. And if you know me, Sarah, I think you do, I love a suit because I'm a lazy dresser, and I believe that tailoring is the easiest way to go when it comes to dressing and looking polished. And this season, you will not go wrong with a short suit. So exactly the same concept, but instead of the pant, you get the short for it. So you can wear the blazer separately, you can wear the pants separately, and together you have the whole look. Be on the lookout. All the high street stores are doing them. And again, the thing, we spoke about this last week about doing them in the correct color. If you do find a short suit that you really, really love, but you don't think that color is going to be flattering on you, just put the top underneath that suit is where the color, you should play with that color. That's the more important color. So try the short suit. You'll be the hottest person in town.
I love it. It's like business, but make it fashion. Now, summer means it's time to ditch the Ugg boots and break out some thongs. What is hot in footwear this season?
Okay, this one literally broke my Instagram because it is the dad sandal. And before you were throwing tomatoes, I'm telling you, Sarah, these exact versions from Chanel, $2,000, and there's a waiting list about an arm's long. These ones from Tony Bianco are $150, and they are sold out. People are stalking me for them. I guess it's divisive, but just like the dad sneaker that I spoke when I came about when I came in the first time to Studio 10, remember everyone laughed me out of the studio? We're still rocking them now. This is the summer's answer to the dad sneaker, the dad sandal, people.
Who makes these decisions?
You're gonna.
What would you wear those with, Victoria, though?
You know what? You wear them exactly like you would do the dad sneaker. They're just such a statement on their own, a divisive statement,
yeah.
but you get to choose what you put them. You get to choose what you put them with. You can put them with a dress, with shorts. Definitely that whole 80s theme is what's happening here. So mark my words,
you can put them in the bin.
Sandals.
Tristan says chuck them in the bin.
Well, what do I know about fashion? I know nothing.
Hey, I'm dressed like Annie today, so all for Nanny, so who knows?
Didn't you have the whole sock gate going on? What's about that? Let me tell you what, Tristan.
I wouldn't mind if everyone around me was wearing socks. Nobody was wearing socks that day.
Can I say, Tristan? They are haters. I'm a straight shooter and I like to give it to you straight, no chaser. But let me tell you, there are some people that can pull off that look, and you are one of them. Those dancing ankles were looking flying, those Gucci pumps. Can I tell you, if Kate from Google Box actually showed up on the couch without socks, then we have a problem. But you did that look justice. So don't let the haters talk.
Do we go as far as wearing socks with sandals now?
Oh, yes. Yes.
You know what? No.
If we're going to go out, we might as well go all out.
I really think that is where I draw the line, socks with sandals. Can I quickly just mention that I'm wearing this dress from a beautiful store here in Melbourne called My Trend. Stalking beautiful, amazing dresses. If we have time for one more trend, let me just tell you about the balloon sleeve. The reason why I left the balloon sleeve till last is because it's been around for at least 3 seasons now, and honestly, if the balloon sleeves goes out of fashion, I literally have nothing to wear. But it's not anything new, but it's definitely staying strong this season. So if the shoulder pads aren't something that you're definitely keen on, or the ugly dad sandals, the balloon sleeve dress top outfit is literally the way to go. Something feminine and chic.
Oh, Victoria, we love you. You always look fab and you always find the best little pieces. You can head to talking-shop.com.au to check out Victoria's blog. Thanks for joining us, honey. We'll see you soon.
Thank you. Up next.
See you soon.